We can see here that the report contains live real data pulled directly from SimilarWeb and Ahrefs. We got this website multiple 90 DR backlinks that brings in thousands of organic clicks per month for completely free. And here's how you can steal this process and automate it using Claude Code. So of course, we're going to use Claude Cowork in our desktop, and we're going to first enter in this super prompt. If you want access to the prompt, comment prompt below and I'll send you over the prompt. What this prompt is going to do, it's going to go ahead and do competitive intelligence and pull which websites have the highest opportunities for backlinking. That can be either guest posts or it can be just creating link bait articles that those websites write about and they're more likely to link back to. Once you enter in the prompt, you also need to enable Claude in Chrome. And the reason why you want to do this is that we want Claude to actually go out and pull information that is live and up to date. If Claude is just giving us information that it's trained on, the data may be outdated. So in order to get live data, we're going to allow Claude to use our Chrome, and it's going to enter in our competitor URLs in tools like SimilarWeb, and it's going to use the 2 free searches that we have per day to get some information on the backlink profile. We can see Claude at work here actually entering in these URLs into SimilarWeb. So not only are we getting information, we're actually getting up-to-date relevant information with live data, which makes the information that we get back much, much more valuable. Again, we can track and see the actual research that Claude is doing. So once we finish our research, we'll be able to get an executive summary of where we stand, of our competitors, and opportunities for backlinking. Again, we can track and see the actual research that Claude is doing. So once we finish our research, we'll be able to get an executive summary of where we stand, of our competitors, and opportunities for backlinking. We can see here that the report contains live real data pulled directly from SimilarWeb and Ahrefs on our top competitors. For this example, it's mortgage sites. So we see RateHub, we can see their DR rating, we can see how many backlinks, their linking domains, and monthly visitors. Wawa.ca, again, we see the DR backlinks, Nesto, and this is where we see where our website stands to the competition. So we get a competitor deep dive with live data, the top linking domains from our competitors. So again, this is a slew of rich information that we can use. So again, we get a lot of information here. We get a lot of really useful information here. And if we scroll down to section 4, we get high priority action points that we can take to get the best possible backlink. So we see already we have one backlink which has a decent DR, so we can reach out to this backlink to get another one. If they've already linked to your website, it's more likely that they'll also link a second or third time. That's our tier 1, and then we get our tier 2, which is content triggered link opportunities. After we got this report, I then went ahead and told Claude to give me the best opportunity for guest posting or link bait topics that I can create that people will naturally link to. And we can see here that we got some actual topics here. Topic here that we see is B lender versus A lender versus private, the guide Canadian borrowers actually need. So I can go ahead, and once I found some topics that I think would be useful, instead of me now telling Claude to write, I can enact the WordRocket integration that we have with Claude, and I can simply just tell Claude to use WordRocket to now write an article on this topic using my sitemap, using images, and post it directly to my site. The actual prompt in which I used in Claude was the actual prompt in which I used in Claude was I just put the topic and I told it to write this article using our sitemap. We already have our sitemap on WordRocket, include images, web search, aim for 3,000 words, and post this as a draft on my website. We need to ensure that all of our integrations are set up on WordRocket itself. So if we're writing for a client, we need to ensure that the sitemap is already set up on WordRocket. As we can see, the sitemap is already set up. And then we need to ensure if we're publishing that our WordPress site is already set up as well. And our brand voice if we're using that. So once everything is already set up on WordRocket, you can then use Claude to pull or call any of that information. So once we've double checked that, we can send this off to Claude, and this is where the beauty happens. Claude is now going to use the integration that we have already set up with WordRocket. I've done a video of how to set it up. And if you want to get MCP, you need to get an agency plan for WordRocket. If you already have an agency plan, just send me over an email, support@wordrocket.ai, and I'll enable MCPs and APIs in your WordRocket account because we're still ensuring it works well, and then we're going to release it for everyone on agencies' plans. So we can see here, it's kicking off the generation now with live web research, 3 images, internal links, and it's going to aim for 3,000 word. So the job is queued and it's polling for completion now. So let's go over back to WordRocket and let's see if it actually works. I'm going to head over to content, articles, and boom, the article is being generated. B lender versus A lender versus private mortgage, Canada. Okay, so we can see after a couple of minutes, the article is completed. If I head over to WordRocket, I could actually see that the article is completed. So we see the article here, we see the title, and as you can see, the images are now being generated. So here is the actual article itself. It has the keywords included and it has our brand voice as well, right? So we can see our brand voice is also included in the content. So it is catered for our actual article. We got our key takeaways. The images are still generating, so those will come in automatically. And as you can see, the third image has been generated. The second image is still being generated. But we get a pretty in-depth, really good article with CTA, with custom images embedded right into the article itself. So we get an article that is up to date, that's relevant, and we can automate creating link-based articles or automate creating guest posts for whatever site based upon the data that we got back from Claude. So I'm sure you can see how powerful this workflow is. We've combined Claude to get live web information about backlink profiles and use that information to then call WordRocket to then write an article that is catered to get those backlink opportunities. And here our second image is finished, and I just want to show you guys the quality of these images. We have logos embedded into these images of big banks, and as you can see, if you know these banks, these are the actual logos. It's not made up, right? So this again just takes your article to a next level. So if I head back over to Claude, I can see that the article has actually been posted already to my WordPress site. Now, I already know there's going to be an issue with this because it posted it too quickly. So the images probably did not render completely. So I will wait until the article is finished and then tell WordRocket to post it, because if it posts it early, the images are not completed. Let's go ahead and take a look at what we're able to get back here. We've logged into our WordPress site here, and we can see under post, we have our article that has been posted. We have our tags. If you go ahead and click edit, as I mentioned, I knew the images would not have been pulled because you can't tell it to pull it right away because the article is finished, the written text is finished, but the images were not. So you just have to give it a little bit of time until the image is finished and then tell Claude to post this article. But if you wait a little bit of time, you'll actually see your images and your featured image will be included. But everything else is included. And if we scroll all the way down here to our title and our meta description, we see our SEO title, slug, and meta description has automatically been filled out. So very, very powerful feature here of automation that you have using this workflow. If you guys want the prompt, comment prompt below and I'll send it over to you. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments below. If you would like to try out WordRocket for yourself, head over to app.wordrocket.ai. If you get an agency plan, you'll get MCP and API included. Hope that you guys enjoyed today's video. I'll see you in the next one. Take care.